Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Knowledge Cafe. This is Aatif Khalil and आज हम बात करेंगे about spreadsheet, a very important topic from the syllabus of MA1 ACCA. तकरीबन हर स्टूडेंट के 10 to 20 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आपके CB एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं इस टॉपिक से. So I have divided this into different topics like formula. In this particular topic I have included all the MCQs and all the information related to formulas. Next is formatting. Here I have included all the detail about the formatting options, formatting numbers, and all the information and all the MCQs related to formatting. Then another topic, that is cell. In this particular topic, all the questions related to or MCQs related to cell and the information and knowledge about cell is included. And in the same way, topic about graph and charts, where all the information about graph and chart, which graph is used and for which purpose, and MCQs related to graph and charts are included. Well, in this particular lecture, we will discuss about the basics of spreadsheet and worksheet, the basic information about the spreadsheet, and MCQs related to spreadsheets. So let's start. What is spreadsheet? It is a computer program that allows numbers to be entered and manipulated. It can also be defined as a huge row of table of rows and columns. Here, columns are given letters and rows are sequentially numbered. You can see from here that जितने भी कॉलम हैं उन्हें लेटर्स अलॉट किए गए हैं ABCDEF, और जो भी आपके पास रोज हैं ये सीक्वेंसली नंबर्ड हैं. And this is said to be intersection of column and row, which is also known to be cell. जैसे cell कहा जाता है, intersection of column and row, and it is said to be cell. These numbers can be presented with text. ये cell है, इसमें information numbers के साथ साथ text की सूरत में भी enter की जा सकती है. Visual analysis of numbers can be provided in the form of graph and charts. Remember, it is only the numbers के जिनका visual analysis graphs और charts की form में present किया जा सकता है. Spreadsheet को ऐसे भी define किया जा सकता है that it is an electronic piece of paper divided into rows and columns, and it can be described as a joint calculator. एग्जाम्पल में इसकी आ जाती हैं लोटस 1 2 3 and Microsoft Excel. Now a question related to the basic information. Which of the following are correct description applied to computer spreadsheet? Number 1. The intersection of each rows and column defines a cell. So it is correct. जो intersection है each row and column का उसी को cell कहा जाता है. Data is organized in rows and columns. Data rows and columns में organize होता है. This is also true. An entire page of rows and column is called workbook. This is wrong because जो entire page है rows and column का, it is known as worksheet rather than workbook. For each column is identified by number. So अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले बात की कि हर कॉलम जो है वो लेटर से आइडेंटिफाई होता है, नंबर से नहीं. नंबर से रो आइडेंटिफाइड होती है. So this is wrong. So these 2 points are wrong. So our correct option is 1 and 2, and this is mentioned in A. Why use spreadsheet? Spreadsheet provide a tool for calculating, analyzing and manipulating numerical data. Spreadsheet एक टूल प्रोवाइड करता है कि जिसकी मदद से आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं और मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं न्यूमेरिकल डाटा को. It makes calculation and manipulation quicker and easier. So with the help of this software, जो भी हम calculation करते हैं या manipulation करते हैं, it can be done quickly and easily. The design of spreadsheet depend upon the volume of information. If we talk about the advantages of spreadsheet, so these are speed, accuracy, legibility, automatic recalculation, process large quantities of data, display data in different ways like charts, graphs, numeric, tabular, graphical and pictorial form. So डाटा जो है डिस्प्ले किया जा सकता है न्यूमेरिक फॉर्म में भी, टेबुलर फॉर्म में भी, ग्राफिकल फॉर्म में भी और पिक्चोरियल फॉर्म में भी. And the automatic recalculation is used for planning and sensitivity analysis. Now an MCQ is related to this information. Which of the following are justification for the widespread use of computer in the provision of management information? Number 1, speed of processing, exactly, accurate. Number 2, accuracy of processing, true. Number 3, volume and complexity of processing requirement. तो large volume of data जो है process किया जा सकता है, complex किस्म का भी data process किया जा सकता है more accurately. So all three are true. So option is 1, 2, 3, D. Next, which of the following are advantages of spreadsheet software over manual approaches? Number 1 is security. So is security an advantage of spreadsheet over manual approach? The answer is no. Why so? Because it exposes the firm to the threat from viruses, hackers and general system failure. यानी अगर आप स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो देर आर चांसेस कि वायरसेस की वजह से आपका डाटा करप्ट हो सकता है. हैकर्स जो है आपके पास आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्सेस हासिल कर सकते हैं और जनरल सिस्टम फेलियर की वजह से भी डाटा सिक्योर नहीं कंसिडर किया जाता. Speed, it is true, as compared to manual approaches, it is quite speedy, quite accurate, and legibility. So these 2, 3, 4 are the said to be the advantages of spreadsheet software over manual approaches. Uses of management accountant. Spreadsheet are used in variety of accounting context. So कुछ application इसकी spreadsheet की for the management accountant वो क्या क्या हैं? Number 1, preparation of management account. Remember that this is written as preparation of management account, not financial account. Cash flow analysis, budgeting and forecasting. अकाउंट रिकॉन्सिलेशन के लिए यूज़ होता है आपके पास स्प्रेडशीट. रेवेन्यू एंड कॉस्ट एनालिसिस के लिए, कंपैरिजन के लिए, एक्चुअल डाटा को बजट डाटा के साथ कंपेयर किया जाता है एंड जो भी वेरिएंस हो उसको फिर एनालिसिस किया जाता है. सो इट इज़ आल्सो यूज फॉर वेरिएंस एनालिसिस. सॉर्टिंग, फिल्टरिंग एंड कैटेगराइजिंग लार्ज वॉल्यूम ऑफ डाटा. तो उसमें फर्दर जो फंक्शन परफॉर्म किए जाते हैं, सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन आप, फिल्टर कर सकते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन और लार्ज वॉल्यूम ऑफ डाटा को कैटेगराइज किया जा सकता है. प्रिपेयर फाइनेंशियल फोरकास्ट, नॉट अकाउंट, फोरकास्ट. प्रिपेयर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एंड प्रोड्यूस रिपोर्ट्स. सो next question is, which of the following is least likely to be prepared using a spreadsheet? इनमें से कौन सा सबसे कम यूज़ होता है स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर, सबसे कम यूज़ होता है किस पर्पज़ के लिए? तो वेरिएंस रिपोर्ट के लिए it is commonly used for cash forecast and annual budget. It is very seldom used for the preparation of annual accounts. So that is why we are the option that annual account is least likely to be prepared using spreadsheet. Which of the following are common application of spreadsheet used by the management accountant? Again, the same question with this different wording. It is used for variance analysis. This is said to be a common application of spreadsheet, cash flow budgeting and forecasting, but it is not commonly used for the preparation of financial account. So your option is 1 and 2, and this is A option. Which of the following would a management accountant not use a spreadsheet for? सो किस मकसद के लिए अकाउंटेंट स्प्रेडशीट को यूज़ नहीं करते? They use it for reconciliation, they use it for analysis, what if analysis, they use it for the calculation of expenses like depreciation, but it is not used for cost coding. Next question is, you prepare a budget using a spreadsheet program. The numerical data is presented in a tabular form. However, the tabulated data can also be presented in alternative or additional forms. जो tabulated data है वो आपके पास different forms में मज़ीद present किया जा सकता है. Which of the following methods of data presentation cannot be produced automatically by a spreadsheet program? So you can produce or convert your tabular data into bar chart. It can be converted into pie chart or graph, but it cannot be presented in the form of narrative, means words. Automatically आपके पास words के जरिए presentation इसकी नहीं हो सकती. Next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? Spreadsheet make the calculation and manipulation of data easier and quicker. So this is true. Spreadsheets are very useful for word processing. This is wrong. This is incorrect. Spreadsheet is not useful for word processing. Spreadsheet can be used to produce management accounts. True. Spreadsheet can be used for budgeting and forecasting. This is also true. Another MCQ is relating to spreadsheet. The following statement relates to spreadsheet. A spreadsheet consists of records and files. Wrong, because the database contain record and file, not spreadsheet software. Next, most spreadsheet have a facility to allow data within them to be displayed graphically. बिल्कुल ठीक. Spreadsheet में data जो है आपके पास graphically present किया जा सकता है. Spreadsheet could be used to prepare budgeted income statement. True. A spreadsheet is the most suitable software for storing large volume of data. It is not said to be the most suitable software for the storing of large volume of data. Process करता है large volume of data, storing के purpose के लिए नहीं. So it is 2 and 3 which is true. So option is C. Next, for which of the following tasks would a spreadsheet is most useful? Number 1, exception reporting. So it is true. Spreadsheet is used for the exception reporting. For annual staff appraisal के लिए spreadsheet is not considered to be most useful. Writing a newsletter, no. Categorizing product by range of different factors like price, location, customer date, launch, etc. No. It is most useful. It can be used to categorize product, but most useful is for exception reporting. For which of the following tasks is spreadsheet unlikely to be used? जिसके लिए यूज नहीं की जाती. It is used for cash flow forecasting. True. It is used for analysis, monthly sales analysis by market. True. It is used for calculation of depreciation. True. So it is not used for writing a memo. Now about the limitation of spreadsheets. It takes time to develop. Also, data can be accidentally changed. Security problem. There can be an errors in the use of formula. And also if the data is flawed, data में ही गलती है, तो फिर obviously spreadsheet उसको process जो करेगी उसका कोई आपके लिए benefit नहीं होगा. Data is not accurate, high degree of uncertainty है data में, जैसे कि predictions वगैरह के हवाले से use होती है. Security issues. Now question is, which one of the following statement about spreadsheet is incorrect? Spreadsheet makes calculation easier and quicker. It is true. Data can be manipulated more easily. It is also true. Total figures can be calculated automatically. जी बिल्कुल ठीक, क्योंकि आप फार्मूला जो है एंटर करके ये कर सकते हैं. But the information will always be accurate. Information always accurate होगी. This is not true. So this is our answer, that which one of the following statement about spreadsheet is incorrect. Now about worksheet. Worksheet is said to be a single page or sheet in Excel, and a workbook contains more than one worksheet. एक वर्कबुक में एक से ज़्यादा वर्कशीट होती हैं। An Excel workbook contains 3 worksheets by default. You can see here there are 3 worksheets, sheet 1, 2 and 3. By default Excel में 3 sheets हैं. Next, design of spreadsheet is dictated by volume of information. जितनी ज़्यादा information होगी उसी के मुताबिक इसका डिज़ाइन जो है वो बनेगा. Spreadsheet can be broken up across several worksheets within one workbook. एक ही वर्कबुक में बहुत सी वर्कशीट्स हो सकती हैं. The rows are numbered down to the left hand side from 1 to 65,536 and the columns are lettered along the top, these from A to 256 column. Which of the following allows a user to access more worksheet than the standard 3? कि standard 3 से ज़्यादा आप worksheet access कर सकते हैं तो उसकी shortcut क्या command है? This is press shift and F11. Press shift and F11 करने से आप एक से ज़्यादा वर्कशीट को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. Which of the following statement about spreadsheet is not true? Spreadsheet can import information from document created in other application. This is true. Spreadsheet tool में ये भी आपके पास फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है कि आप दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट से भी डाटा इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. A spreadsheet cannot contain more than one worksheet. This is wrong. आपके पास अभी हम बात कर चुके हैं कि स्प्रेडशीट में एक से ज़्यादा वर्कशीट होती हैं और बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्सेल में 3 वर्कशीट्स होती हैं. इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू यूज़ अ स्प्रेडशीट टू सॉर्ट डाटा. बिल्कुल, स्प्रेडशीट आपके पास डाटा को सॉर्ट करने के लिए यूज़ हो सकती है इन वैरायटी ऑफ वेज. स्प्रेडशीट पैकेज यूजली इंक्लूड अ फैसिलिटी टू ग्राफ न्यूमेरिकल डाटा. न्यूमेरिकल डाटा को ग्राफिकल फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट करने के हवाले से भी स्प्रेडशीट पैकेज में फैसिलिटी इंक्लूड है. Features of well-structured worksheet: it should be easy to use, it should be user-friendly, and reader should be considered. ताकि रीडर की अप्रोच के मुताबिक, उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के मुताबिक इंफॉर्मेशन प्रेजेंट की जाए. How to access further worksheet? So you can click on the tab on the bottom of the page which look like a blank sheet of a paper with a lash on it. So this is कि आपके पास यहाँ पे आप इस पॉइंट पे क्लिक करके फर्दर वर्कशीट को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा अल्टरनेटिवली प्रेस शिफ्ट एंड F11 एंड यू कैन लेबल द वर्कशीट एज वेल. लेबल करने के लिए आप जो शीट है उस पर राइट क्लिक करेंगे एंड देन आप उसे रीनेम कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, एंटरिंग अ डाटा इनटू अ वर्कशीट. जो स्प्रेडशीट का ये कंटेंट आपका जो सेल है इसमें आपके पास डिफरेंट डाटा रिकॉर्ड किया जा सकता है. इट कैन बी अ टेक्स्ट, इट कैन बी अ वैल्यू एंड इट कैन बी अ फार्मूला. अ टेक्स्ट सेल यूजुअली कंटेन वर्ड्स. टेक्स्ट इज लेफ्ट अलाइन बाय डिफॉल्ट. So you can see from here that text is, this ACCA text is left aligned. Value. Value is number that can be used in calculation. Values are right aligned by default. So you can see कि values जो भी लिखी जाती हैं वो right side से align हैं. And a formula refer to other cells in a calculation. So formula के बारे में डिटेल से हम डिस्कशन एक और लेक्चर में करेंगे. Entering data into a worksheet. Data can be entered into the active cell. Data will be appeared in the formula bar as well. Data can be entered into multiple cells, and if you hover over the block, a cross will appear, and you then click and hold the left mouse button and then drag down, up, right or left. So alternatively you can do this by selecting first cell and press and hold shift while pressing the arrows key to select the further cells. For entering data into a worksheet, like if you want to enter a data in a group of cells, simply hold Ctrl and then select cell using the mouse pointer. For selecting entire row, आपके पास जो shortcut है वो क्या है? Shift plus space bar. अगर आप शिफ्ट प्लस स्पेस बार का बटन दबाएंगे तो आपके पास एंटायर रो विल बी सिलेक्टेड। और अगर आप सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं एंटायर कॉलम, यू कैन यूज अ कमांड कंट्रोल प्लस स्पेस बार। और एंटायर वर्कशीट को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए कंट्रोल प्लस ए का बटन आप प्रेस करेंगे। Three dimensional spreadsheet. Spreadsheet package permits the user to work with multiple sheets that refer to each other. तो मल्टीपल शीट्स को एक दूसरे से लिंक कर दिया जाता है, यूज किया जा सकता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग अ प्रॉफिट forecast for two regions and a combined forecast for the total of the regions. The situation would be suited to use separate worksheet for each region and another for the total. This approach is sometimes referred to as working in three dimension. इसी अप्रोच को कहा जाता है कि आप थ्री डायमेंशन में वर्क कर रहे हैं। As you are able to flip between different sheets stacked in front or behind each other. थ्री डायमेंशनल स्प्रेडशीट में आप जो है डाटा फ्रॉम वन शीट टू अनदर पोस्ट कर सकते हैं और लिंक कर सकते हैं शीट्स को विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्मूला। Spreadsheet can be linked to and exchange data with word processing document. Number one, spreadsheet which needs special glasses for user to be able to read them. No. Spreadsheet which need an extra 3D program to make them viewable on a normal computer screen. That is also not true. Spreadsheet which use a number of worksheet, each one linked to overall summary worksheet. So this is the right option कि आपके पास इसमें number of worksheet हैं कि जिन्हें link कर दिया जाता है. Spreadsheet spread over a number of workbook which are not linked together. This is also not true.